Hi, my name is Paula Queen, and I bought the StayLock Tiles 9/16 inch in light gray, and they're easy lock. They're wonderful. They go together really great. So I bought 100 of them, thinking that the area that I need it to be in, but I need to get a few more, probably about another 100 or so. But this is more for my son's play area. Very easy to put it down. It took us maybe 15 minutes. As you can see, we've had it down a little bit. It is easy to pull up, and if I need to clean it, I can. But all I have to do is push them together and make sure that the parts go in. But they're super easy. I don't even need a hammer. I can do it with my fingers. So easy. It cleans up really well. Very soft. Look at that. Great. Best purchase I could have done. Great for my son, great for our area, and really appreciate y'all. Thank you.